Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can create and then add audio and video files to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Now to add an audio file, click on Audio and start talking right away. If you wish to stop your recording, click on the bottom right corner. Now to send your file, click on the bottom right corner again. To listen to it, click on Play button. And to discard it, select this button at the bottom left corner. To create and add video file, click on the same plus, but this time select Camera app. Now, after switching to video, you can finally start recording. In order to retake it, tap on the top left corner. If you want to send it right away, click on this blue button at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add it to your message, click on Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!